All right, folks. Sorry again for my absence today. You should be watching this video because that will tell you what you need to do today. What I need you to do today is you're going to go under this instruction tab. And what that's going to do is it is going to open the Bureau of Labor Statistics website called the Occupational Outlook Handbook. Okay? And what I want you to do is scroll down here, okay? And if you look on the left there's a list of possible careers, okay? And, well, categories of careers. And I want you to go into a category that is going to be either engineering or design related. So the easy ones to look at are the ones that say architecture and engineering or arts and design. Those two are probably your best bets. But there are other ways that you could kind of look through this lens, like if you're looking at construction or computer and information tech. Excuse me. Things like media and communication might fit under this idea of design, or any one of these, if you find the right career, could be an engineering or design career. But these are probably the two easiest ones to reach for. So let's say I go under the engineering tab. Okay, there's going to be like subcategories here, coming down here of specific occupations that fall under that. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick one of these careers that has some interest to you, okay? So let's say I'm interested in, let's see, materials engineers. Okay, so these are interesting people. All right, I'm interested in that. Now, at the beginning of all of this, you're going to see a summary page. It's going to tell you things like median pay, typical entry-level experience, etc., which is like just a gloss overview of everything about this career. There's also a YouTube video here on each of the careers. I'd advise taking a minute to watch that. I'd advise like soaking into this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Each of these tabs tells you a little bit more about that career and dives a little bit deeper. You can get from one tab to the next either using those tabs or just clicking through at the bottom, and it'll take you through each of these tabs. So like here is like, what do they do? And maybe some like subcategories of this group. And here is just like, what is their work environment like? And what do you need to become one of these people? Okay, so what is your education? What kind of skills do you have to have? I think like an important one to look under is like, what's the job outlook? Like, is this a growing industry? Is it an industry that is shrinking? How many of these people do we actually need in our society? Right? So this is our National Bureau of Labor Statistics. So that kind of information should be fairly accurate on this site, based on their measurement of our economy and our jobs. So once you've had a chance to look at the BLS Occupational Handbook for a Career, once you spend about 15-20 minutes with one of these careers, you're going to go back into the day folder, right? And you're going to go to let's get back into the day folder here, and you're going to see under the practice thing, it says you're going to generate a poster, which is like a Google Doc or a slide, I don't care which one, that demonstrates your understanding of the career you examined in the Occupational Outlook Handbook. So it should be a career that has like some aspect of engineering or design for it. So we want to know a couple of things on that poster. You want to make it attractive because you're designing here, but you want to make sure that it includes the following information, like what kind of work does this person do? What does it take to become someone in this field? What are the upsides of working in this field? Like, why would somebody want to do this? Why would you want to do this? What's the pay look like, right, for entry level and possibly experienced people in this career? And is there a particular place you have to live? Like, can you live anywhere and have this job, or do you have to like if you're an oceanographer, you're not going to live in like the middle of Colorado, right? So there it is. And when you finish with that slide, which should probably take you another 20-25 minutes, which would get you the whole period, you're going to share that document with me. So you just click share, type in my name, and that will get you a formative assessment credit for this. So make sure you do that. There's going to be a summary video at the end, and that's the job. So go into the Occupational Handbook, find a career, look learn about it as much as you can, and then take that information, push it into a poster that's either a Google Doc or a slide that has these 5 pieces of information. Share that slide with me, and you get credit for the day. All right? So there you have it. Be good to Mr. Smith. He's doing us a great favor today.